ya shetuntum enti ya chia atiefo nyina ya chia atiefo nyina
ba sa hoden ho
kakra
still anu si da
it's not up to my expectation though but befanisa
aka se mama kai me mama ebi san se te san ya si ya befanisa eye na me se o so de da bia wonyin o ko wanim enti se wo hwe kwan se wa pomuden ne beba te se ne na ete ebra na wo ya baba wa na obua
ndi ne kura ne sen
o da bi enye o de na meka ba to ka ne sa ne na aba mama kai
me de wonzi me
o de so de oda so gira na so
me ya babunu me nyini enti no anyway akakra yenya nwuye nko ade bibia be fine ye che tifo nso ene anopai na titiro mu nkoso aye ne yentina na ene de se de ka ne boja ye ene friday che se de omo pe bi o mbete e wo ka se fidie so kumi ni green no ahia yi o kum green no
che ne de ye ka che Mr. Sefas se
o ya ka che papa se ne de boja ye
ti bibia ni a
o mo fanche ye efie da
kran so yi
ena sese no ye
ayo
ye ntino ye besi bia no ne kwan so a
yo grino so ho ye de na mobia ho ye onim dada eya na ye hye edwumade na se a mpacho
holu ti e kire ha won kasa won kasa
holu mpacho ho te sen
ese wala we kwa de meka bia makumi
efia won kasa
da ye head team bisa wasem holu won kasa
unjira wo kasa kure besi bia ba ma fra no holu mpacho so ho ya no pai DJ men kasa na mo
DJ men kasa
all right so yan kwa hama no so na ye ne prophetess Ellen Opoku Agyeman na twetwe nkomo enche so te se ma wade osofu ma me bia na che se prophetess Ellen Opoku Agyeman
na so kura de
ti anopa yankwe
what is them do
what future wife prophetess Ellen Opoku Agyeman inkura hye se monfa mai mami anopa ya mu ache
me ba cho me jo so
ba cho san hode wo ho
Awurade adawo ma adom ni ahweye ye ho ode amba cho mo so
yehu adom yeso ye ho ye pa
ye da yesu
mami anopa de eya na ye ndwumade bi a ye di ehia nkura hye se wadaro matiawa wafutu se ben nkura hye se men na ode mama access matiefo
anapei mechia masese matiefo nyina ena mechia mo nyina so ewa Awurade timo anapei mi nkura hye sem kakra me ka se atiefo nyina no se yenhwe ye ho so ye because ebre ni wo ma wo nipa bia san so na mesan aka kire wo nipa bia se e ma nipa bia ma na bemu mu enam ye wona mu nti ese na ni da so asa die na ni da so asa ye wo bia enam pe wo wu ya kan nfa egu ni bo ye de na kose motre ono na ni da so asa because ye de ni ye bibi bia enye ye de bia rada na mo mo kratia so teche mada waboje moje du mu ofusane de eye den ya Awurade bedum aboa because ono Awurade a wo hu ekirichiri ade na wo ye ne ono Awurade a wo bo ye no wa franye se wo begu ye ni machio ne twase ye di Kristo Yesu ekinhu ade e twase ye fa wo hawo ne amanie mu ena na peminim ye obi komu minim ye obi femu ena ye motri de ana peminim o kasa obi ewu obi eje gado because na ni da so obi asa ana peminim bi sa find when ni da so so we ni pa ye wa basa enipa betimi aferi na momma Awurade nye wa basa because when you are putting people ye train na ye mpan hwe de bia rada ana pemi pese woni pa bia ka ise Awurade pene ne jefo ne wo femu ene na wati ahwe ana pe na wo sorry ne wo pega won se mpega se Awurade ye woni da so nko adia mi se wo bi nkran se eye den ya o pega ne nsa e betega de wo ye na enye de no mo ma na be mu de bia rada e fi se Awurade wo di Awurade echi twa se wo fa wo hawo of the farmer name of you know according to John 16:20 no was the make that trouble move soon na mo cheda jo le wiase fo de o mani beje wa mo ne besu yenya ye yɛse yɛnim awurade yɛnim awurade sɛn yɛnya yɛde awurade hoahoa yɛ ho yɛnya yɛahohia nyinam yɛse agye awurade bɛ mu wɔse yɛbɛsu na yɛtwa agyaagyeɔ anapɛ meka kyerɛ wɔ nnipa bi asɛ wɔde awurade akyi deɛ wonya ne tɔtɔrɔtɔ saa ɛyɛ exam se kyerɛ wobɛkyerɛ wobɛfɛri ɛduru baabi nso a wobɛpaase wofɛri ne nkyerɛ sɛ wabrabɔ apɛ ɛtwa sɛ wofam by the end of the day nse we need as we awurade nko adia kokwa wani sorry anapa bi aka tira wo kra se metimi aye awurade din mu nti metimi aye wo kra ati ase na tekrema da wabodue mu nko adia ensu bebre ensu daye su no because usu a wo twen ase ya ne betere usu a wakamfo benya usu a wonipa na wo de ne ye wabasa na ade chen ye won ti ase no wo benya enti ma awurade nye wani da so na fa ne nante wo bia me pa wo kwa wo se awurade fa me ko me ko ton wo na wo to e ma ye ton enti awurade wan ni mani ma me ntimi ko me de me crash wo nsa bo me ho ban bo so me akai me sire awurade se won hwe wo nipa bia kra so ye de fi ni ye fi bem e wo m se eden die e wo m se nso hwe wo mu die nanso ye hu wanyankopon be hwe ne maso a ye ho basem ne die wo m no obeyi ye firim akwakoni asenginem anapa die me wode ma atie fo ni
Prophetess Elenu Poku Ajimana no pay yedase ne wafutu sem yedase pa yedase enti amsua yesempa mommy say enakwa efiada yi na na e mo kyerefo yam dabi
wo ho be ka mo kyerefo
na me hwe
edinya me ze baby awo o wada
mo kyere dia so
I'm the Australian. You want to know?
Oh, Debbie, ma me be so ko wankra
ba ko mo kyere da
mo kyere dia me nkoko da
unko mo kyere
me ko je den wo ho me
mo kyere dia me nkoko da but me huhu TV so abrofo dia
ebe ya hu sankadaje o ho anya hwe bia no na otwe bia na abosume bia
me nko
ba ku me ma me hwe
obi anko
I think say ma flash ho once bi me fan say me ba Mrs. Penny ne baketwa aha akora
no inside
na order as a table BBC table BBC na na ye de na to so ya
ni anhu ya akoda ne nko but we hu members na
no
me ko je den e wo ho
me hu eno pe
recently me ko general hospital me ni ma me ko hospital and na me ko je ade ma no
eno pe
me nim de me ya me ko pie mortuary ni me say if you see the distance me ko boss me tin say actual mortuary no we are very done me
Anke be ya
we easily get traumatized.
Yeah.
What I say ntino ne ma bi ho no ma ya na
I can go everywhere but not mortuary and shrines. And go down.
easy.
Yeah, asem.
Me too.
Hey,
Nipa answer you.
me say na no me feel ho ba me se massacre.
Emboni.
Ade a chi no
na fry.
Ade tia no basante asim.
We yada. Aya night saying
Charlie,
say yes ya na omuchiche fridge mu ana.
E dey fridge. Oh, enya ba bia we bi wo ha obekọ na nipa gufam.
I fresh bodies no.
Say half na dey o ma ba nti be siesie o
na. Ba bia be siesie no kra de ho de eye kakra. E ho ne de bia be wa yi kakra ne ade but yenya awie ohu bibia na yese de okọhye mu a. Oh,
o da form naked.
E bi da so.
Hey, Nipa ancestry. So you see what I will say that
Nipa ebi kura gina ho. Omo manya accident na ebia ya pempa mom na omo ye no yetimi mo bi gina ho be kodo kwabra ni gina ho. Nipa da wawu no. Na wa ko dise gina ha go dise. Oh, Charlie, serious.
Oh, so tired that.
Charlie, serious.
And then let me move be I show you that. I know me pejale sama.
Charlie, serious. Omo dan bi wahu. Omo dan bi. Na dan no. Say breed Charlie. O de
ye be di ho nko boda foforo.
O de se mo maye madwen se mo nko a mo ti asi mo nko a.
You why the call? And ye asem. And ye chia.
Serious na omo pai wa unu ba bi omo pai.
Yes it was see mu ho no say bad no say Say
pie nipa na ye de saa ayi ne be gwa no ho na
I mean, make us say nipa yen
no.
me who nipa bi mo like I must show mom man. I ask myself then ko na.
Me be say Martin penny nsem say ya na impempi no ye yi nipa ne ma de na ye de cotton
it depend e ma e bia tuo na wo say yenye investigation bi hwe say bia ba
kan for forensic testing ade
yi obi anso no da bi
because me say ye be you bibia na ya de form
ye de dawa and ye de papers ebe hye
wachi ojonte na afi aye ayi
na waye kutu
be say kumi wa age me ya che
Emisa
edu Friday na ye yi na ugina ho betikum
yes ye yi ne de na hwe ho
betwa ni nipa
yes ye yi ne de na hwe ho
enye omu nyina na ya na blog enye omu nyina na se me na ka se bia yes blog ye be you now hu so
why ye titiriti yes why ye din
omo je so mbe wo aduru no na ebi wo ho ye aduru keke na oma ye na se aduru no ugwa dani ma untimi ngina ho be ye 2-3 minutes wani nyina be prunsu
okay I know ye din
I me fa guy bi also wa three ambulance he was sharing his experience the beba obeja ejuma no see edru na mo de hye funu no mo at a point na I say like I'm not concerned into I say sometimes jina ha onu kwa odem na say dem ma edru man bisa
na me sure say ejuma no nso so ye mfa ni kan yi
I doubt
enyom nyina
da bi chuka
mi enyom nyina say
mortician mochiri okobese ata mochiri man
enyom nyina enye hu saa o okay to them onu omo kasa enye hu saa but
being a mochiri man ni bi no bi odeda funu why na I na adwuma na yeso
as long as you are dealing with everybody
mochiri for ne de ne eye ayi kakra
are you sure
so much ho ne de ho na edi nipa be ko na be pai nipa no be nipa no
that one is also dangerous no
na ye kan but omo de da ne de eno ase akofa nipa na ba
no asiesie
no Kofi Adoma be say man never is
na pane no so na omo de wo no
yes it say koko pane ebi
entina me se mommodin a me nim ne ntie ya schools e ka so mo ko se so mo kan so mo je excursion e
excursion
se so mo ko sa omo odin bi omo de ma no se ye de
ya ga ka na excursion
omo ko sa we na omo ko mo chu hobi
not trip per se
yen to so what na be de
na de say me na na nyini me na na me fiada de fiada
na mo ka mo cha se
sister bra wo ko bra nyonya ni mo chira sem ba me na na nyini nti no me ye say bia nche me ko me na na nyini na nipa de onyina nya wo na be
grino
asaba yeah me na na nyini me maame wani one na me tate
na grino
dia be
kan say I say what for no
anche
on can say
no but you don't
on can say
no like more or less like she's accepted that
no
don't go anytime soon that's what I'm
na 88 sister ojedian
we have people who are like over 100
that's a boy be konti okonkwa de be me come chiri hobi
na so ko ja no so
enya
koto de na boje
enya jo de ba
no de ba she na wona why ro ga so ko sisi a onya what
I'm for yadamase ye na ya to en komo no so why nti mama ye hu nkoma hodo anana pai aba be pue mu ewo oman ni
it's a Friday na just a Friday do see the journey a different level be cry ya me adom so Monday na ya share December say November ya da say what December paying kakaka odin ya be 28th of November and then ya me boa 1st December Monday da just say afen baby ya nisa and as usual we go around the world to bring you the latest news updates for our cherished listeners. So a very good morning to our cherished listeners for tuning in to Max FM 89.7 every morning for the latest and updated news headlines from across the world. Going into the news headlines for this morning, beginning with the general news. As always, armed forces to set up permanent bases along rivers and forests to stop galamsey. Phyllis Kwachi Ofusu said this to Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ena eka we a wɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ yi asradom kuo no ɛbɛbɔ mmɔden ɛde wɔn matenaeɛ no ɔmo atrɛ mu akɔduru yɛn kwaeɛ ɛne yɛn nsuwa ahodoɔ no a ne nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn ɛpɛ sɛ wɔsi galamsey ho kwan wei ɛyɛ owura Felix Kwakye Ofosu ɛna kan Daily Graphic nso ɛde aba.
China ready to support Ghana's development agenda, Ambassador Tong said this to Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic chrono ena eka we a chese China anamusini ewo omai Ghana mu ambassador ya ono no ogina mu ewo omai Ghana mu ena eneyi wode atudwa wo chese omai China aye nadwene se chese Ghana ye mpejaye ene ye ni suade huna ye pese ye di peja wo man no omai China aye nadwene se wo bebo yi papa eno so owura Tong defa ede atudwa wo chire se Enyema wei na omai China ewo ehu tirimopo se odebeboa omai Ghana.
Away to the western region, Feed Ghana, Mahama launches vegetable development project in Ahafo. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom so na eka wei ye mampani owura John Dramani Mahama na wode ensema tudwa wo kire se ukopiemu ewo Ahafo a wapadwumadie bi ho ntoma edian edaso ene Feed Ghana ni nyina ene se atosodie ho ene enuaba yebetumi aduana yatumi apam ekom afiri omai Ghana mu ensem nyina akoso ewo Ahafo City Newsroom nso ede amanobo eboyen.
Moving to the eastern region of Ghana, police launched full probe into gunshots and abduction at Korua Bene Palace. Joy News.
Joy News na eka we a wo kire se ukopie mu ewo kwawu ya eno wo eye apoye mantamu a aposifo abomodin a de hwehwemu agu akwan mu a kire se ni nyina ene se eye wonom ahemfie kase a ewo ho ya eye Abene Palace no eneyi ohene ne ohima bi a ye chi wonom esieye no aposifo eguso eye hwehwemu kwan a asemwe efa so eba ya wonum etimi echi wonum empenimfo esiye.
Back to the western region, Takwa. Police arrest suspects seen in video abusing 2 women. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ekronoa eka we enche ye ene hu se eye mfonyini bi etwagu na kire se enipa bi a wonum ache emmanuel ni bi ache se bread da wonum ti what me see bread blade da wonum tiri ho pa enya asem gitu ana chese ensem no eni enya video na eni enya papa e ma chese tag Ghana police dodo no a say Daily Graphic e dia baba tudwa say takwa ya eno ye atoye mantamu eye aposifo a ewo ho abomodin akochi enipa mienu ya na wonum edi sabon fusem.
Police pastor arrested, charged for offensive social media remarks. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom ena ediwe eba wo bosa mani a wo kire se eye osofopon bi a ye frɛ no Emmanuel Apia ya dodo na frɛ no Apia Biblical ene ye aposifo asonimu a wo de kwadu abono na ne kwadu wo de abono eye se ensem bi a wo gina social media so ekeka ye eye ade se entwa yie na egu enipa bi ho fia na se egu eye wo nipa na wo ne no enya sa entokwa no ho fi enu nti na enam so ama aposifo ache no asese City Newsroom so e de amanobo eboye.
To our last story on the general news, man allegedly kills wife during dispute over phone. Joy News.
Joy News ena ebosa manie we a wo kire se ukopie mu ewo eye bunomantam ho no mu a eye owura bi a wone na yire na kire se menteme ho ase ekoba ye ne nyina eye fon ho nsensem ya ntimi anko wieye menteme ho ase ene akasakasa esiye no eye ade sesese wonso ekowie se bema no akum oba no a aposifo asonimu yese ye de sobo ena abono. Joy News ena ekawi.
To our business news this morning, interest rates to go down. BOG cuts policy rate to 18%. Brings back 14-day bill. Daily
Graphic business. Graphic business ena eka wo kire se eyade se wo bepem e wo my Ghana mu a efiri eye January ebesi eye bosome November ya ye wo media chese yensidi no tumi agina ne na so ye papa empempi no Bank of Ghana for ede ho amanebo ebeboye na sesia ne interest rate no ya ye hweso ede esese yensidi anase ye hweso ede etoto ye man ni yie no meka say economy ni yie no sesei abeto dwa ba fom a enche ebedru 18% na chese oham enchemu abupen no eye du nwotwe 18% a akoye enigi semi papa bosia bo bebrebe no Ghana nso so ye betumi atwe ye ho afiri ho.
Gold board recovers 3 million Ghana cedis from illegal gold trade. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom for ne guso a wonom so eka we. Gold board ya ye wurasa mejamfi na ye pani kwanchefo eda no nei ababeto dwa se wonom abomodia atimi enya eye 3 million Ghana cedis afri enipa bonfo a womo enam kwati kwan so eton gold afri oman mu ekoman foforo so.
To international news. Nigeria's president declares security emergency, orders mass recruitment for police and army. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic na career watches okopiemu e Nigeria alata memu achese say Bible ho nsem de ade se ato apiye papa enipa bonfo asama wonum ho so yiye papa enam so ama eneyi ye president aho ha na mampani oho bolatini bu ahye se emprempre ya de wonum ehia enipa dodo pa e wasra dom kuonu mu ene aposi egwadwuma yenim sede be ya Bible ho nsem ebetumi agina e Nigeria na ze achiche no ene ekunkum no adults Nigeria pa.
To our last story on the foreign front, Bangladesh court sentences former prime minister to 21 years in jail in corruption cases. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic na we ya ukopiemu ewo oman Bangladesh mu a wonom asem dibia ewo ho abomodia abua eye former minister anas ankane wosoafo a wo ho anase yes anka ne soafo a wo ho se yemfa no nkoto afiase emfie no mako adrunu ba ko 21 year ni nyina ene se papa yi keta sehye krono dwirim ene proye ena bra na wo te so se eye prime minister no wo ye asese aban no ensa kana ye boanefo. Daily Graphic ene de nsemi ebai.
So these are the stories we came with this morning to climax November 28th. Stories I read from first to end. Stories I read and that the I read climax November 2025. Until November 2025, 28th been baby. Until you will do a discussion on one of the stories for this morning. I agree no.
Yeah, maybe story I touch me pa Nigeria story no. Because recently my couple of videos are so disheartening, very very heartbroken story. Obe who say edium ya chie nipa ibi mu na chese ya di what do we call ya blindfold womo
students amo principals
oh Charlie
teachers amo train kala school so amo ho people just come and kidnap them
and normally no ya na sa niam when across the northern part of Nigeria. Aya na me bisa se di ade nkwa na de bia Nigeria. Upeti se chese weird story be asia and paying p no nipa bon for akwato Nigeria, especially northern part. And ye cheche ma be first na ye se bibi the Boko Haram.
Yeah.
And also so one ho asem ba ya e ma chese girls yo mo mbekum mo wo mo ye be cheche mo akobi kra till date ye hu bio. Aye di ade nko a e wo sa aban no di ni na si for papa sesi a wa request for a mass recruitment here e wo so omonya na omonya ente na the disadvantage wo mzo ebiso no biso kwa ni paboni ni a
and na can say mass recruitment ni they'll get you see and that's what I was also thinking that it ebe kwa ko here say ni paboni fo ni mo bi no mo bi gym. Now as such as after share abstract for card review. No, I didn't talk or drink of no so no money. So in a sense the mass recruitment, what we would like to tell them from their neighboring country, Ghana, here in Accra, Max TV, say they should just be vigilant for the recruitment system. Yes, sir, maneuver the way to get into them again. Not to say, yes, so the person has upper hand. The
story of Yachiwe, and Yana Esha or Nigeria. Until Osaka by now, no, or more finding better solutions, to waiter, and then Mudi Yagusuchi Chinipa. Obon Sani Yachi be near blindfolded near Yachensa. It's just bad. Just that. It's just Asemon. I ran to us one. I made the Abakubia, Miss Smith, to say. Wake up on there, Yura Felix Fosukwachi.
Kwachi Ufusu. I think that's the name. That's the government spokesperson.
Yeah, spokesperson.
As him now, can say armed forces to set up permanent bases along rivers and forests to stop galamsey. My question is a forest in the way. And if forest here and go for destroy it,
oh, the fact that my destroy and just forest in what I say, forest in India, but a formal assassin and I am for a good and yet assassin mutu a plants in the so walk along a distance long journey.
Sunyani Nameka says the long distance of
walk a long journey. The open say Udru barrier na and Pempiana yana. Joben say please for no barrier no more was this small tent and as a building Kakrebo. What as it's going to be something of that sort. What you say? Aha.
It's permanent too. It's good any tent as some na call.
Fine. Some build structure be or mobile now one at now say because here immigrations are more your border ha. So it is possible, right? It is possible. And yeah say enya no keke.
Let's say enya no keke. And it's a brand na police not sure mono. Now mudi
viral video up na nipa mompa one point about pabo na say mo hoya empe nipa de pabo ho. That's
my thing. I should stop saying that now. It's a Satan who always Satan you're innocent. Satan Satan me just a innocent
to be and Kasama.
Hey, that way is it time go me.
Innocent.
That way is it time. Yeah, her said, yeah, no keke na or mombetimi. And as I'm going forward, I was just a bit. Can you answer? Now, what's to meet you over Bessia? I hear this a bonnet bank. I mean, Alain say, Mukoya connection dinner, and he say, a Pascal. Aha. So I'm coming. Connection somewhere. Is it illegal? Is it legal? Whether legal or illegal, Pascal. Say illegal. I'm going to Pascal. Now, come here, even if you're doing the show, we don't even record it. I don't understand the reason why. What I'm thinking is that whatever connection they had with the two women were illegal. One, and to say illegal meaning it's here a mirror or Ghana memo. Not just say obi the boo and I don't understand the reason why. Are you illegal? Watching phone, recording. I Charlie. Illegal. I want to say illegal. I didn't know you know. If it's a who bet me a bassem, we are not watching phone. Not recorded. You see, I feel we are in should I say modernized or technology? And yeah, it is really killing us. Something like that. Anyway, so I'm going to record it, and then they be passing my own. Yeah, they be a passing my own. Hey, yeah, but yeah, recordings be more high. You're careful. Yeah, careful. And you be recording. And you have to record it. And then you same now. So now, what's our chief phone? See when you work. One share you when you must send me to baby. Because you were and recently your mom Penny can say, "Oh, baby, I will be making offensive voice." Yeah, social media. Yeah, be tracking action. Yeah, and it goes the same way as Obi or Betty said in Kwasiasem. Our mobile phones to be eyes and never to be a better action. So why will you? I mean, oh.
Nipa mpere ho asɛm
89.7
asɛm mpere nipa ne ho asɛm
then I see chesing.
sɛ asɛm mpere nipa ne ho asɛm say issue doesn't like human being like issue
Watch my ye. Watch my ye. And I don't know, she didn't want to see how they would have watched
and so issue doesn't like you asɛm mpere nipa issue doesn't like human being nipa ne pa asɛm
and
human being like issue
breaking it down.
na maka no
Why your long division was soon down?
Now better.
Break it down.
Me nya ho.
Yo. Ana pay ye bedam say mama ya tin koma hodo a. Aba be pie mu e wo mayi mu. Are na kwa ye da se.
Yo, yeah, the Erica Chetty for answer I can say. Now may I have next week so same time. They should tune in to Max FM 89.7 for their latest and updated news headlines all across the world.
Judy America o kwa hen.
No go didi.
Adiana ben.
Enum tea.
And then the over fan film kaka. And then over fan film.
Fan film. And minimum na e kwana me hwe na enyi ye na mape. Say doc no so. Okay, them there was. Because I need a long deal from now on about 6 p.m.
And then both you for mon hwehwe me na me.
We also a bottle of insurance and Nancy called Nancy called by
11. Oh, okay. And I saw TSSCI.
There be about 12.
Okay.
Me say to say by 10 no be free here kumi.
10 years away chire.
The house of it jawa
Friday morning. Max FM 89.7. Welcome to Friday morning.
Rebecca say yes, we are there. As I say, a kai baby, and if you know papa masuja. And my papa masuja. And I'm young permit to meet you and my papa now obune. Yes, sir. Sana nipa humi na nipa ne me asrenam intimi ampa mini ana na yemfa yenya hwe kura aso nyankopɔ daruma Max Morning do live on Max 89.7 abusia frame kumi kasa afi na do afidie na to ayem akwa ba ye kwa kosisa no pa no nkro bebo ne asode so ne the sports ato aso de ama na yenkoni say na yemfa afutu yema yema menom anase yawofo no ma omutie yen ne titru ni yema menom omo wonkoda 1 to 3 years so wa koda na sa koda no 1 to 3 years a enkomo ye kodema wo na toda enkoda itimi eda suban bi adima se wo ye na wanhwe ya obi kura tie chi obeka se ontete obani ya na se onhwe obani ye ana se po obeka se obani kura o ma na aduane ndi especially sa akoda ne wo 1 to 3 years ne ya akoda ne taye ne se akoda wo 1 to 3 years a o ma me betimi anu aduane di ama no e wo fie akoda no endi aduane no but akoda ne bekofi bekwa bonten ebekwa kodi sa aduane no maame anu ama no na obedi atafre ne nsama anhwe kura beka se bosome ba akokura sa akoda no endidiye eba ne se ya obi hu a na den o maame ma na aduane na den no maame yesa na akoda ne didi pa o enso me kasa yi na wanu ya sa aduane ne bi e wo fie wo de ma akoda na ani etoda moteka mu madu baby obi di na aduane se na akoda no besi akogina nipa nanim ebehwe nipa no chese epa aduane ne biadi obi gina chi obeka se na de maami ontete ne bayi ada anasa akoda yi ye besre eba ne se na oye nana akoda ne yesa ediabufu ba ma wanhwe kura akoda no betimi agbodoma de beto ne so nyina kan koda musu ene omoban no especially sa koda no 1 to 3 years no nti ebesese sa oyo wofo na wa koda na sa koda na wo sa age bracket ya ye kan ya na sa koda no eda sa suban we dia wadaro ma ebesese mo fa nchen koda no na sa na ti anya sa koda betimi aye mo bi kura gina kiro beka se ye na maami kura ne ba no kura onhwaniye awofo ebesese munti na munti ne se enkoda 1 to 3 years no sa suban no omo tada na dipa omo ya momfa nche omo adia ba konso a eya na yetaye megidie pa se wahu bida wati bida ebi kura na kura so aka bida ene se woye owfo wawo akoda ba afi na akoda ni siso na pahin bi behu akoda no na ode na no beto akoda no so se meyere etoda pahin ni potimi hia wo o maame no ebisa na meyere wo he na meyere ho tesen na meyere wo ho ye besre after se pahin no ebisa se meyere wo ho meyere ho ye akoda dia meyere no eya na nkoma na efi akire ba ne do so chene eya na ye de ye ni hu ene ne eya na ye de asote enti efi ne wo ye na se be ma bi papa pahin bi ehya ase se obaba ode efre no na meyere ho tese a ye besre mani ntwa so esanse be wi ase na nkomo na ewa akire ni do so chene ye de ye ni hu ene ne ye de asote enti fi ne ko wo ye na wa kwada bi ne ho fe na mpanfo bi mema hyase na meyere wo ho a bomodin se obema sankomo no eto atwa ne and from so back where ya na ye maame no may ne say ba ne say na say impose o maame na ni nge ho a eya na kwan obefa so obeka asem na nya abufu no na akoya asem ye be sere bo mo wodian pe kwan a obeka asem na che sa pahin na wa sha ase efra oba ne so ye ne yire no pe kwan a eye kwan pa a obetimi aka emfa abufu mba etoda wan hwe na enkomo iwa hu se na obedi na obewie na afia kwan enkomo foforo kra na de abufu abedi ntokwa ba nti bo modian so be hu kwan soronko a obeka emfa bufuo na emfa entokwa emba nti ye bese se ye nhye ne nso na yentu eho anamo na beboa mp anapa ye nkwadwa so na ye nkwohwe ne ma hodo abusuafo de bedwa so na ye tobi enkoma ye yire no ma na kwa afia da de na ho behia pass ye bedi dwa e de akogu fie na otwi na wie ya ye kofie yi weekend se wo hye na ono yire mu di mu ho nkomo se ye esa se madika to mu bibia e de akogu fie dada na megidie pa se Kivo hot pepper wate ho asem da ye ne ye hyase se ye mako e de agu sachet mu ena nanse amanfo ahyase nanse nam kroma amanfo pepper na egu ayi mu me no mie ne ebedi adanse se ye de mako egu sachet mu se ye tete aton 11 Ghana cedis Kivo hot pepper ye nso na ye hyase Kivo gari nanse amanfo de gari ahudo pie de agu park mu nanso bia nim se Kivo ye ne ye hyase na ma we nyina ase but aduma unim se bibia so bi hyase na se wo so wo ye bia untimi nye enye ne papa te se ni po hyase no enti ye bese nanse amanfo makwa ahudo agu sachet mu adoso odwa so nanso ye kanfo de amount se wo kodwa so a bomodi an se obeto papa no ne ano odin ne ye hyehye nanso ye de no ye friend Kivo hot pepper ye maame no mo ye spaghetti ye okwa ho ye nso aye hyeto eton bomodi an se Kivo hot pepper na say restaurant ahodo choba ahodo ene ye maame no ma ye nduane ahodo de ma schools ahodo nyina no Kivo hot pepper ene obi edi ne dwuma bomodi an to kakra bia timi de onante a enti bomodi an se ye kanfo Kivo hot pepper dia mana we no ade ba ko e ma ne ye de kurampo ni se emu ohwam enti se yanom de ani bia enti we no wo de ye waduane mpo na se wanfa akade bia na se ne efre no spices bia mpo anka ho a utimi di ama ne di mu enti ye kanfo Kivo hot pepper e de ama obi bia se ukodwa so abomodi atobi fa kogu fie na beboa opi
yen free Kivo for asoye na yemra masbai egusua kai na tofo se eye December yi won giveaways ene chese promo ya won eba bi eya de se ehu ehia papa se opeka adam nko ade a ene na obre no enie ebia na winiska ya ode kwa kotoka nanso masbai ama wakwanya ne se bomodia na beto ade wo hono na wo beto ade wo hono a wonso akwanya ne betumi aba ma wo a ama wanya sleek saloon car na onso so watimi e dia flexi e wo town yi papa bora masbai na to TV air conditioner refrigerator mobile phone home appliance bia wo hia e wo fie no bomodia na kowura koto bi e wo masbai na wo ta e ja sa e ye kai amabosi wonso betumi enya e koba de se wo enya krampo no a enya no nko a enso ho wonom e che e ye TV smartphone any home appliance bebrebe pa enti from masbai e wo 020544019552 05440195520 and 059409122 must buy say a festive giveaway and inti sa giveaway e mane empa otiri ho bomodi anabo ramadina zungo janshi na kope oniema esese wonya bi entop Tema Community 1 Bura Ho Junction Mall ye wo ho Westos Mall ye wo ho Kaswa ye wo Takrade station ho VVIP ye wo ye OC Teleso odo right side ho no mo a sanso na La Paz ye wo Start Time building mu da kuma ye ne Mass TV Mass FM ene wo dan ba akumu odo ko ye wo main traffic light no asia wonum e kire se bia we nyina no ene bia ebenwu bia no ubowura ho no mo a wonso so eyade se Xmas giveaway no wonso obetumi enya car TV mobile phone and home appliances kumi
yo ana no abawa bia mede mani asi ne so aye ne la ya abawa si da ompeme na msi yo mate ompɛ me afa ho ɛna no mo wɔ hɔ na ba wai frame so kumi na de wadaroma me pɛsɛ me mmra na wonte me tɛ am si o ɛna nso de emunyo
Until Tasana do kwade.
ai oba na mate ne tɛ am si o ɛna nso de emunye ɛbra na sika hɔ na me de mani esi wuso apɛ wo se da wo pɛ me ɛna nso anka wo pɛsɛ me nti utei emunye o de ɛbra na yɛhwɛ ne a yɛbɛyɛ yɛyɛ ni ehyia ne yɛyɛ afɛ wie yɛ na wo sɛ me nya ba wai kwan na akwa bibia hɔ ɛsan sɛ sika ni hɔ me nso me hu ne a meyɛ me ho na me kai yɛ mega cash lucky boss hey ma me try bi na me hwɛ ɛhɔ na me phone star 426 star 8 na me boy me selected number 2 Max FM boxes mako sia ba na me fa number 3 me wie yɛ 5 Ghana cedis yes kyerɛ oh na kyerɛ sɛ asidua mu asɛmani obi a me pesika agye oba yi kwan ma me ntra ne ɛtɔ so mienu me tra ye na dam a kyerɛ sɛ me bɔ modern transfer sky mo oba yi fɛfɛɛfɛ a kyerɛ sɛ onim kura sɛ mega cash na me nya sɛ sika yi ɛwɔ eti mega cash deɛ yesu nya ba yi deɛ me deɛ mega cash deɛ me frɛ na agenkwa ni nya ba yi
Eno ani agenkwa
na agenkwa no nso ɔma ɛno na ɔbɛba na mega cash
agenkwa
enti anopa yi agenkwa ba ko a meka fo de ama no yɛfrɛ no mega cash lucky boss ɛmfa ho ne network bi a wɔ so star 426 star 8 send it ubehu Max TV number 1 Max Radio select number 2 boxes mako sia beba famu bako 5 Ghana cedis ne akyi fa to so ubedi sika ma okura yembe hyew ubedi sika ma obansi e bonsam yodo e dabi nyame yodo dabi mega cash yodo enti bomode ya se ode oho baji mu na impo udi agre na esidua ma e ma onya points ahodo pia na fiada ena anwumre nonum the beautiful green oni abusuafo no betena se o Mass TV o to ane afrew o points akosoro bra baji mobile phone baji scanner kodi enti bomode ya se mega cash lucky box ode ho ebaji mu
Kumi wawie wawie
o se ma wie
na se wa mo code no
mabo
wabo oh okay en code ndi ehia pa
star 426 star 8
aha nipa hia ska pa udi mega cash na wanya sika atu botom no na wo ye wo kra enkwagye nso ehu adwuma isanze agenkwa na ankasa no enche onankwa so a eba saa ena ye maamenom ne ye na omaka kire ya ndi egusu a ye hwe na ye twen agenkwa no wei eyasempa Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement enya emfie no enwotwe a wonum kire se eya ade sesesei asempa tere adwuma no wonum ede kɔ animu yie papa wei eye hure na wonum emfie nwotwe a wonum enyen eya ade sesesei womo butayi a esi womo ani so efiri eya bosumi etwa mu ebesi sa bosumi wei eye so we ne na kire se wonum de asempa tere adwuma no ekɔ animu yie pa ni nyina ne se wonum etwe akra ede ama awrade ye nyankopɔn eni ti bomodia na won soso no bopini wo mu na agenkwa no ontumi emra wahye mu nyame ya adomo a wo kina wo mu de bibia eba na wieye e wo ICGC Rehoboth Temple ya wonum kire se oba prophetic wom eye training ewo mu wa ni suadi huna na se wo frɛ ne dawo so se wo betumi ababa ye nyame adwuma nko ade a ene na watu adi editi bomoden na kopie mu e ICGC Rehoboth Temple na won so awrade entumi enhyiraw 8 years a wonum enyen eniema wei ni eniema wei na sesei wonum eya wo kina wodi ni nyina eba wieye e wo Rehoboth Temple enti yetu yensa afre wo bibia na se koba ne se eba nsori ene asuku ahodo no a pese won so wonum asene dia ene na wonum emfre 0244 955 425 0244 955 425 ebiem 050 903893. Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement. One enya emfie du nwotwe a hooray.
Yo, as they try to young farmer must buy 2 for less promotion. It costs Bomadi as or do Hoba Jim. Yes, say Bomadi Ambra be PM. Yes, sure, yet Tony Mama Kuminu. Na yenteso and fa amount. And no, and yatuni din buy 2 for less. Buy 2 for less. Tommy Nua. Na yateso at the amount. Bomadi said, baby, I showrooms I hold winning na no. Obebo Eddie Raho. Na oni yen edi dwuma yada se adapai atone ma hodo e odwaso yen kona yen fa yen street dwuma de no entudwa ye wi na fe na ye ne kwame nkansa nie e be twetwe nkomo enen so mandem your pick e be fia na ye ne abusuafo we nyina twetwe nkomo enti ye monitor na yen kɔ anim yen street vibe no yen fa ya se bisa na entudwa ewi na fe ye twa ho ye koba na ye ma ho kwan no abam na ye komo no ye tiawa eya pempi no ye takasa yade ya ampa menu mienu so ye bedi adanse ye se yade ye san se megidi ye pass wa yade da yade ya pa ni titru ni yade a oda mpa so chese obeda no hu mpa agisi ye da no na obi da ho epepa ho waduane gisi ebue wanum ne yade agum kabo ni na chese yade ya pa. But a bad sense when a man for such say, Yansu ya na ya shy ayade for Yansu ya bro. Ni titu ni say ye ja ya juma ho. Ye kwatina ni pe ho. Ye yi ni pampers, ye yi ni dross, ye si ni boxer. Ye de aduane hye na no. Ye de towel bo nsuo ma pepa sa ni pe ho. Etoda ye kwada nipa no nchen hospital. Ye soma ye nkwaje aduro we bra. Entontuma o hospital ho ye demu impo nipa no yade ni mpo de otiminya baabi da nanso yenya ye hwe nipa no etoda na yenya baabi mpo nda enti yanso ye brepa ena no pa ye din komo na ye bisa se nipa obre obi a oyade a obre ene nia ono nso ete yadefo ho a ohwe yadefo enipa mienu hwan na brepa nea oda ho no yare na ontimi nye ne ho hwe ontimi nane ne ho ontimi nye hwe no na ebre ona sitena mu anase nea ote yadefo ho na ohwe yadefo na yeye no konabra koto aduro we kobra nya babi ndeda ho etonko no enipa mienu hwan na ebre yadefo ene nipa ohwe yadefo hwan na ebre pa adenti ena yadefo na ebre adenti ena no ohwe yadefo na ebre ye ba sisi ana ye de ye silva jumadi na to aso ama ye koba ye be ma ho kwan na wabam ye ba sisia.
It's time to shop till you drop. Get ready for the biggest shopping event of the year, Max Buys Black Friday sale. Up to 50% off on all items. Bosom in November way, discounts are kesia. And when you hear biaso, you beto bianzo benya achedie free. Awesome bundle offers. Save even more when you buy in bulk and win big. With the enjeja unhu, come Max Buy and now experience the ultimate shopping spree. When Black Friday, where Max Buy online or offline stores. Time limited time only. Go on your website www.maxbuy.com.gh. And our frame 0544 019 552. Hurry up, stock up, save big, and make this Black Friday one to remember. Max Buy, happy life.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What? Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody.
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread grace, oh class.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
is Tema Secondary School.
Wako school near you know. You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in every Saturday at 9 a.m. Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7 and online max.com.gh.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4 verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
.7 Wero Max FM what jidu okita say
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkens ne kwasi ada untumi fa do adanso untumi fa bladanso kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu kam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Majiwedi tina me danedi wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se
Welcome to Friday morning. Max FM
89.7.
In fact, and Komo Yasha crowd fiada that. I want to crop a brother. That's already. Say no DJ Holy Ejina say nipa obre yadefo. Me no ka say the beautiful green on so gina mu say nia o hwe yadefo so bre pa. Enti emu akwaba yanko anim na yemfa ye street adwumade ne to aso emfa ema o. Ha Max 89.7 ye dwumade atuni di Max Morning Dew. Ana yankomotia wa ye bisa say nipa o yade ani obi a o hwe yade fo hwan na ebre pa eya na yese yade ya o ayade fo bre nipa da ho chese ontimi ndane ne ho pompo sese nipa yi ebe dane ne ho a gise nipa na ote ne ho na o hwe no ene dane no emu pampesa hodo ye yi ne dross ye dane no chese enya dwuma ketwa na ye kiremu se nipa ono so te yade fo ho so bre pa o ko ha kwaje aduro bra ne mmra so e wo so nidi oye adwuma ye e wo se semasi no maduro yi wato ne store mu wafi adwuma mu okop ha enye easy ye bisa se nipo yade ene nipa o hwe yadefo nipa mienu hwan na ebre pa grino
kumi
yensempa
mama memfam free ahasei ohu se akwala ne maameti na abofra no onya nuru stage a esese wonu atimi dware wonu atimi didi wonu atimi hye wonu atimi nante ko baabi na maame no afei na wotete abofra na oni abofra no anebre mo enti so obi yare do that point no a wa baba ya abofra enti nipa wo hwe no wo bre wo say wotimi yare do baabi o senses ni nyina nheda nya adwuma wo dia ne say wo da ho obi kura ho no mu a onhyeda ntepin wo ne baabi a but ade no wo ne widie mu enti no nhye onhyeda ma reaction bia ana onye action bia ma hu say bia ne ha ana ne say ene ye ne ya oda ho ene wo be peja no wo be bo ne pampers obi timi yesa be wie chene ni padan kasa kwasa be yare kuri enkofo a wonum afa nipa a wonum eyare hu a wo mo hwe mo mafa ho ayare yare awu no enya de keto a wo in the first place no uja wodwuma wo ho uja oma wo ho wade pa bi a wo ye uja wo ho na wo do attention na kwakoma nipa no a oyare no imagine when ebre pa because o resources emotionally you are traumatized, physically unde wo ho chese ubi bia mentally wunye okay enti papa enipa no no da ho ne de ne we de ne na ye ne ya o ba wo ti ne nche awo koba no wo betimi atwa kwan sa na afekura wa pa ba so na we kura de wo kura na nipa ho nto no imagine onu na nipa ho nto no enkofo bre wo mo hwe yarefo ebre pa me die wo mo hwe yarefo ebre si nipa na nkasa ono da ho no papa omo bre
the beautiful green say nipa o hwe yadefo no ebre chen yadefo no DJ Holy on kasa o say yadefo ebre echen nipa o te ne ho ebre enkomo iwa wo fie bremu na yensusu enkomo ho na yendwen ho ye numbers ne ye 0551 598321 0551 598321 and that's 055 0055 522 055 0055 522 0551 598321 and pacho when ye
hello Kumi
yeah honorable neo
interesting neo
honorable neo
interesting neo
honorable yanya udeni uye ditressing honorable yanya udeni uye ditressing honorable ditressing and pet sen
nyame adom ye na wo so e
yehu adom ye ho ye pa o tamfo ne tia
I'm not time for me, Dopo.
Would you na mempe? Honorable, would you na mempe?
Dear, when I'm glad was an amiya.
Wait, now when you present our no so.
Hey, now I'm sorry, I'm room so Jay.
Honorable, yentio.
Oh, Kumi, maybe they may dream with the or the phone of bread chain. Nipa oheno because on the thing ka woni redeem nya ora krampo do bitimi de nipa ko hospital krampo no agya no hodoko afa ni ba bi afa ntino mimi hu ne say yare for no brepa chen de oheno no
yo honorable ditressing yeda say honorable say obitimi koja ne this year hospital
no that's onko brebre hunu bia ya bro
hello
onko brebre hunu bia
Hello.
Yes, sir. Udi baby Afrefi.
Good morning.
Morning.
Bra Kwame.
Nyankopɔn nhyira wo.
Onhyira wo so Kwame. Block Factory.
Awurade hyira yɛn anɔpɛ. Ɔnhyira adwuma awura. Ɛnnɛ free Friday. Ɛnnɛ yɛ bi market day. Bayɛ deɛ yɛn ka ho.
Ami.
Anɔpɛ yɛda Nyankopɔn ase. Yɛntumi fa yɛ aseda ma bo, yɛntumi fa yɛ aseda ma yɛgya padeɛ. Yɛde aseda asombo de ma Awurade Yesu Kristo. Sɛ ɔde yɛn nkwa akyɛ yɛ anɔpɛ ɛma yɛti ase ɛma bɔne bi anto yɛ. A yɛtumi kasa yɛtumi nante ɛtu yɛn nsa ɛtu yɛn nan a aseda ka kyerɛ yɛn mpɔ Nyankopɔn. Bɛtwa mo question a mo bisa. Yɛwɔ ne sɛ ipa na ɔyale no ɔno ɔyale mbom ɔte sɛ ɔbrɛ. Sase deɛ me nuaba kaa no mɛfoɔ me nuaba no wo a wote ho no wo na wobrɛ. Because ɛba ne sɛ wadagye nyinaa wahyɛ wadagye. Deɛ ɔbɛyɛ biara wo na ɔbɛyɛ ama no. Wo a wote ho no wo na wobrɛ. Fa ofa oyɛ we. Wobɛwie kyerɛ koraa na wo mpogum no wabɛfa yale bom ayale. Nti deɛ ɔhyɛ nipa korɔ no ɔno na ɛbrɛ mmɔ. Ɛsaa na ɛte.
Yo, Kwame our Block Factory yɛda ase. Kwame se mo a wohwɛ nipa no obrɛ pa obrɛ kora kyɛn yadefoɔ no. Enti brɛmo na fabi ɛka ho na yɛnkoyɛ 0551598321 ne patcho hwan ni o.
Hello.
Yeah.
Honorable Kumisi.
Asemekre.
Patcho hwan ni?
I say it say.
Boko na wonso hwan ya. Oh, Gifty.
I also did the ladder man. Patcho da be na the text area.
Na 3 days mo line we ya.
Oh, sawa hu.
Anya holy ya no wa man.
Okay, yo mate ya be why? Ma mentro yo sister Gift yenti yo.
Ni o so yare for ni brechen. Yare for ni o yare da pa ko. Ba wo a wo hwe no wo fro na wo ba wo go to eduru na wo pepa no ho na wo se sane pampers enye easy. Obi kura ti mi show obi no wa fa ho ewu ja yare for. So mo hwe yare for no mo prepare yare for.
Yo, sister Gift ya na pay yada say sister Gift say omo mo hwe yade for no ebre pa. Yo. Yate yada say 0551598321 0550055522 and pay bisa say eya na yekasa yade ya ye bisa say so bi yade a ena obi a ote yade fo ho a ohwe yade fo hwan na ebre pa ba cho hwan yo
Kumika fa
eya ba ko pe
me fa share me
Ferguson bawi ampa
me fa so bi aboko
you who adom na unso
you me fa share me fa so we there me support beautiful Spency Greeno.
Thank you.
Full support. The reason is my experience the two situations. My yari called that hospital and Crawfordshire meter. And I miss will be yari na my caution. But the difference is time I me yari that hono. Doctor to me me sleeping tablet. Now I'm be far and see my injection. Me to me that's me sorry ni na me no. Oti hona o tonko. It is stress now only and at time also obi to me be say oh Ferguson is Cabra almost a drone 1,000 cities call fast Cabra almost cover a contribution almost bread papa. And for me you know the extra nipa or breast the ayari. And to me show me position into me support beautiful sexy green.
You.
Yeah, that's it.
Ferguson, yeah, that's it. W now body deep na Makai, my classmate be a num secondary school, your friend and Nana Ferguson. Nana Ferguson, dear, Sa Cordano, Sa Obano.
Why are they? Nana Ferguson,
Nana Ferguson, a year literature. Anna, ye dear po. man we try na dia ma we try na dia ma we try na dia ma we
ene man say
ene ba e ne bedu na Ferguson so na fa po ne ma me ha na fa po na ma me da
na ba we
me wie me literature me ko hwe ya results number 4 years oh secondary school me literature
e bia kam na ate hey ana ko chere foforo
ama me ko bisa ye say mpamcho me literature na me say any amba de na che say f no che say unya f de ma
na che say f
na Ferguson ti Ferguson nya body din pe no makai sa di
no wodi wa bro pa wa
pa ba be du ho fama me o wa ko so mo ya ku pontu ya de ka be bia
me pe me video bi na me dia send we e mi say o mo ke kan answers ni free ni mo ba akwaro
ebe du ne hono na
already say dia ne young boy kano e should have never baba he has no choice and you
ma who say video hello when you Atamax
yes sir
o papa ye ni da ben
wa yes is December yawo next week
yo me say eye ni de ye be bua ma okra ye me show
nya sam ketua
ye be bua wo ensa ben
what ensa ben
what yes
one tiana
oh no ba se be be anum de be se be baba why
ya te Atamas
manifunsafu
yo
masa
masa ye pensa o sensafu de say
masa
e dro
krokito na say na eduro
am de eduro ye de me ya
masa ya nya do ya le nkwa na eduro ensafu
ata ensafu no fama ma o monko ya ka mo ho ye tie o
hello
ata ye tie o
ana awde me no do me titi pese me tie asema odi tu gana me
ye bisa se nipo yade ene ne ote yade fo ho a o hwe yade fo ho na ebre pa
oh do ya no mo ti bro do ya no on mo ne woni wi mo on mo no te bre na de e bia de me kan se de e bia de obati bre ne se obotuma no kwa ha ye se nanso do ya no on o te bre nti awon de berubu bubu be se ayi obi num edru mo oyalefo jisan ko bi num edru mo oyalefo akare de tabe de se ndi mo ko do ya ni mo be anka emre aka mo mama no
yo
ndi mo he do ya ni mo no tebre
yo Atamax anapa yeda se pa 0551 598321 055 0055522 0551 598321 055 0055522 ye bisa se obi oyade ene nia ohwe yade fo hwan na kakra be ko ani no ahu ne ya
eni odi bi be yaw no ahu nahi
so be yare ma obetew kakanka hello hwan
imani adenta
ima boko
bato nyame adum
all right anapa ima yentio
yeka kiwadi de bre but difference wom but who go through pain and one is suffering and the other now go through pain on one no bet me go through that pain but the all suffering in there obi bet me agwa because me mami elfani say me mami na yare na be nipa ko a bet me akwende ochina obi be ko ana obi be ye diane and obi be pipa de wende. But the oil ni the only one of the countries happen, and to the oil ni brepa midamati.
Yo, yima adenta yenso yeda se, yima se no yade no ebre pa. Yo, yenfa 3 course enka hona yenfa ofrejumedie no, embra na wiye. Enti ye bisa se obi a yade ene nipa o hwe yade fo. Omumi enu hwan na brepa se o hwe obi o yade no da ho na wo da ne nipa no o da ne no o pepa ne ho o yi ne pampers ye wo hoi sa akoda mpo se be eja ne nagu pampers ma eda san koda mpo ja ne nagu pampers ma eda san
na panyini
pen for the friend bi njere wo Na udidi pa na
Hey. Adianchi, ya si na efie da anya sa na sa yesro.
Sana mo se na efie da nti.
Dabi, ye nka se sa na sa.
0551598321 0550055522. Na ka me ka se na efie da nti en nka. Se me tie asimu ani, but green aboma abatwe, green aboma abatwe. Aboma abatwe. Like what me shoulder.
Na o shoulder e wa batwe.
Na me shoulder e me fa.
O shoulder nye wa bati kumi.
Me shoulder mo ye me bati. Na me na e ma batwe.
Minim.
What say ma
minim. Yankwa yanim na minim.
Tu unnim wa batwe. Yes, your pain ni hwe kro aba ana yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, your pain ni hwe kro aba twe.
O waji. Enya abatwe.
O abaden.
I was saying ni padi wa chia o.
O si pain ni hwe kro abaden.
Abatwe.
Abakot.
Hey, yankwa yanim.
O se na ya sre kwan dada se na efie
dada. O no wasre kwan me sre kwan.
Bakusuro.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I left for the Osha Yalifo now. And the other can is so chamber for so break. Because the oil is so break. And at the Osha Yalifo is so dear Conny about everything. It's only union every by a show, Brenny Cassia Pana, the Osha Yalifo. Because onuna doctor will report to the Bemana, a dear yim, she bejano. On him your beno. So no crown she obey my yale, may yale for the moon watono. The young mom she yale for the baby prepa.
Yeah. I got a daruma one more dini baby a free.
Your family open print.
You. I don't know pay yadase. Yadase pa.
Open is what is saying.
Open him prince.
Na twibe brebo mofon so bebre enya yize o but yen ma ya nya daje ma yare fo no ya de ya kunu bia Hollywood efen ensembo bisa ho wo bia fa mo ha yare fo no wase omo bro
hello
me patriot is no pay.
Good morning adominti eye na mo so so mo ho te se
yehu adom yehu oto na ogina ho no pay.
Oda ho ana pay ni didi sen kwala no mo ko wie no mo dia ne na aka no me ami di ma dia ansama ko di
ani adjustment
there be say na ya to din say
na make Pojoski where ya Pojoski okay
beautiful green o
yes beautiful
many jede wo ye no ho pa nyame enkoso ma so ahode
amen
umi kasa
you did our sister ya for the sexy o but I need be a comedy wa
asema critical me pacho beautiful green o nyame ensira what share omo mo te yare for me mom pa ye say obi ebibi enyare man ntina ne ho na emom enka me say enka obi experience bi ayes me hu say ayes awo obi anwo bi ne onhu se de tie edumre bi na me maame eyare na me gina na chi na me nsa da ne tirim mikuta ne tirim no ada no ntumi nna enti otena se otena mpa no so a na me gina na chi na me kuta ne tirim saa madiate mana o omo mo se yare for my experience saa mienu me maame ne me papa nyina enti nye ize ne be wi akire no me fon ya okaman batan a wanya aduane ani krapo ho won faso enti omo mo se yare for ho die
89.7
omo bre papa
Max FM
Ye are Moma Yabasawati. And then so say a Freaky Friday, Moma Yabaso, na Moma ye be from Pataya Krawati, Nene, and say to me, bro. Topic here, Modia baby. Ya it's a yard form. Now one saying Yano Crown come. Yamen come
on so, yea. Yeah, Kumi is also the same.
Ubi Sammy.
Ah, let me be someone I am.
Originals on one kind needing.
Yo, eh, Pacho. And more than me, you feel more so, and Friday, yes, Yamisha sister. As a man can make a new be with me cross and tan. And yes, we are holy, but your mom. Why? Remember, Bessie, Yamisha, my
Mamma Miraho.
Bra, Kaba, ya bad, Yana Kebeba, Wawa, Dada, Odo Cobro, Nyasem with Muntia.
Men, sound.
Oh, yeah, they. Ntia now, the we. Ah.
Miss Omo.
What's it?
Miss Omo.
Send a while no kai, Munini, and I say, I know Pebuni Yabetomi. So was Munini Moho.
Be a member.
But I did with Mr. Dacro Nebisa. Oh, Bia, or yeah, a Ubian or Kobe, especially where you know.
Me a member.
What does a member simple? On your real chromus on Kobe, be crowd, on your own, or baby, your toss, I didn't be.
Now, I say, no. Where Udu Krobi Muna say Abia Pe, a Patesca Cranoma.
Yeah.
Odo Pe Bisobia. Ope, so who baby a Patesino, a papa. Papa ne sports na, Omo no. Won't say more than Tamabi,
VC10, any friend VC10 Blue Kiosk.
A year Fefe no, and Coho.
Oh, okay. And co baby a white fennel.
And sending your papa.
Ko baby
I told you chire
Blue Kiosk
now the good chese omo friends we curtains so say best
tomorrow aye fina titi bisa
aye fina titi aye fin tuntum brown no chese I honya
ya share down to hot house papa bia no
e ho na wo say yeah so mo nsa no
ano dey e no kra enwum no de bia aye enwum
e ho so group members e ko ho say wo mo ko wie no mo no mo san wie no mo do entrance ho a
near the paper
curtains
no what chirem
baby na efin ti ho no na ye but to cause you man pa bi e ho e neat
oh ene
ni ho e ho e siru na environment
ya frem
inti ye no ye meetings
educate
ye ho science a who member e kire se mesi ye
anyway the salome officer dey video
all right jamsia ya do bibia say ya fa yan common is ya green no say bibia no biom dia na
oh bibia ni ho
ya de yan common be si am so na so wow ba mu adwenchiro nim dia ya da say ya de yan common be si am na so ya ne kwa men kansa nie e ba ba twetwe nkom abranti ya fra no kwame enkansa ai ya ne kwame enkansa e ba ba twetwe enkomo na abranti me gidi e pa se ne ansana yedwumade ne bekọ na wiya na sa ansana ye ne betwetwe nkomo be wie no wani beje ne ho bruta abrantie ne yade o Kwame Nkansa na ne ebema Ghana for akai Kwame Nkansa ene anwumwe
so you be my friend, you know they chat me every day unless I chat you. You they watch my status.
Welcome to Friday morning.
See my post, you know they like them. Why I want to say busy body? Just say me na debi ame, ya want to share my yo. My phone book make fool. I they come delete some contact. If you know they make any impact for my life, yeah, I go delete you. I no go force myself on people. This time if you talk me to a good dog. Charlie, this time if you call, I go call you. Pep, pep, pep. You flash, I go flash you. Pep, pep, pep. Show my tea, I go show you. Pep, pep, pep. You dog, I go dog you. Pep, pep, pep. If you test, I go test you. Pep, pep, pep. Love me, I go love you. Pep, pep, pep. Show my tea, I go show you. Pep, pep, pep. Hate me, I go hate you. Pep, pep, pep.
We a star, me a club, who a cash, me a block, who a bingo. Miss me was stormy. The two bed dog, give me alright, low key. Family will cry, who know beer. Just me no beer, who be I know beer. The other end of the beer, who flex the cheer. Me a water the crank, come and me a share. What I should me status so down now. pete fine komehwe wo de kwa kamena ne pete wo ye katawre mechira wo se me ye kohwe na me ne wo de say Yesu ne master Peter no ne abeka bia me se fa me ye eche flokin kunta ni o jame kwame we are more than brothers now so na one frame ya me frewo obi ene ne ho ada
Charlie, this time if you call I go call you pep 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 you flash I go flash you pep 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 show body I go show you pep 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 you dog I go dog you pep 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 if you test I go test you pep 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 love me I go love you pep 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 show body I go show you pep 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 hate me I go hate you pep 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 if I call you not the border I no call you not the border me test message on the baller why you they do that my brother I go test you no reply blue ticks every day and they come you no go come I go call you no go call it be like say it be me make a call every day it be like say it be me make a test every day it be like say it be me make a visit every day but if you see something for my status was send me brabefa
Moshi se mlano chempe o flame ana me se ma flame o positive ya me positive o like me ana ma
your friend Kwame Nkansa megide pass anyum o tie ye wahu abrante ne no e ba betwetwe nkomo Kwame Nkansa nie yey holy asimuntem anyum we die ye ewrade
minyanka me cheche ma chopa
Kwame okay yankwe holy patch and headset no mama
fine boy minya samana to me sam obati osh erade bejeme hey sesame na me sesame sesame
Kwame yenye start Kwame Nkansa.
What's up my people, this is your boy Kwame Nkansa and you're live in the road with Kumikasa. Be Yanko from top, Yanko away from top.
I see a funny biome, Kwame Yanko.
Kwame Nkansa, hello. All right, let's go. Yes, we are me best me shit. Oh, so me wanna my shit. Yes, we are me best me no. Where so me wanna my bo. Ebia mai minyanka me jai pass we toya family no mum au kwame minyanka me cheche ma chopa mi yepe wudi misidwem hey ananya mi esesame nanya mi idea mfata me fine boy minya samana ni to me sam ubati ash ewadi epeje me hey sesame ananya mi esesame
Kwame Nkansa
sesame ananya mi esesame yeah sesame ananya mi sesame sesame ananya mi sesame Rakumi I try so much to stop this thing so man says yeah into minda I try so much to stop this thing and so my yeah emfa am for bon sam no water and I pay you me dada me to an wetiem me ho papa me ananya mi yentam beje me I'm coming to say, and I'm for some coffee, Menizia, Bema Madantam, men no mention me to treat us lady, and Bema Mania won't indentum. So, Bama, the boy, for dia, from Sakamio, and from Sakamio, and me, go, Sesame, and then I'm Sesame, Sesame. Ananya mi sesame yeah sesame ananya mi sesame sesame ananya mi sesame yes we am beza me she so me wanna ma she yeah yes we am beza me no
nanso
so me wanna ma bo
asuma
eja mai mi nyanka me jai pass we toya fami no mum
etoya
mi nyanka me cheche ma chopa so me yepe wodi mi sidwem hey ananya mi sesame Emano so ya die bianye fine girl kokumbe sesame di ya dia no no be hwe me di sise baby yeah ananya mi ananya mi
Your friend no Kwame Nkrumah in fact I no pay Kwame wama wasia gume.
Oh, bro.
Hey, Kwame.
Enyezu.
Kwame.
Bro.
Kwame unimnyum tododo.
But that's it. Last time one of your comments I mean who first time was say unimnyum to fucking.
Kwame. Tonumo Kwame.
Bravo that's it.
Kwame tonum dodo.
Bravo that's it.
Na Kwame adai. Kwame num to we nyina no talent we nyina Kwame. Baby wadu no menye sure so ani je ho Kwame.
Many people in the chassis and baby abe pa me ho ko.
One hwan adwontofo ben na no mo chassis and o mapa ho ko.
Oh, I think say me how many nka they weren't friends.
Okay.
They weren't friends but time I me start here name also you omo de na me hu. But me who ya no be a PC friend no Kwesi Ata.
Wow.
Kwesi Slay. All these people. Okay. Say the me de you be hu. Obi so be use my be pa no. Na me so me hu what they are doing but me hu ya na pum. Okay, eguso ba Kwame Eugene. Eguso ba Akidi. Ebi mo kra sebe. Age na me hu online manyi nche on but enyum na nyi those things the time aso. Enti me hu ne say enkrofo be pa me ho. Because I started doing this then time I be sabo me tamfo.
Ache.
Yes.
Ache.
Inti ache. But minimum set time ne beba. I don't know ebia the Ghana form epe na menye dia. Ebia senka me nso so sebi memo nyum bia sebi nyansa bi nim ne be peke dia ba minim se nye saa na Ghana for twi. Minim set time ne so na time na so.
Yeah. Enti Kwame se na wo kan se wo ne ebi na hyase na so ne.
Yeah.
Omoko manim no uhu omo saa na feeling it sen e de na about team.
Yes, I think for the past 4 years me share VGM is that.
I didn't know VGM is.
Didn't see I mean share
TGM is.
TGM is me for the past 4 years me share be that.
I didn't hear.
Didn't see and say I feel set me should be at times it gets me depressed. At times me sure because between your chance perform no akoda akunyam and me pana ka bigina wa you see me feel me shame chale me pana bigina ka betimi ayo elotori bia me hwe mpo na me fans na wo comment session no ebi mpo comment say Kwame Nkrumah ne guta maika Kwame ne wa ha Kwame ne yesinya and for the past 4 years me sure it gets me depressed because minimum just have platform no me standard ne match enye me appearance enye me looks but me talent no it's really match up to the VGM standards but me sure it gets me depressed and me who say me now for ana enkrofo ya there me sisa me na boy no okay say yem fans assume say na boy ya senka hate okay from here na boy ya eko amado na boy ya eko kwa me boy na enko de ntia area nkakra na yemo bi amenya ntia me who me now for bi so mo ya there at times many mom I'm always happy to see my brothers doing well but I ask myself a lot of questions. Yeah.
84 years ni TGM is
no me sure it gets me depressed at time but me be highlights ni bi yes highlights me ban my be but say me titi me who say me shama de ache no oh no
Kwame etoda se na wo kan mi mankasa kra so metimi tena se adwe ho se na de nkwa na for pede afi Kwame ho
yeah
because Kwame me post unwum e o me start name we Charlie se na manfo esi compliment unwum pa but here is the case the same people me ba o page you post unwum na ni paka chese ye be like kra na yasa
yeah and
then Kwame
I see some even artists out there see me to be a threat. Because there are some of the artists that we've reached out to them for a verse. Some people listen to the song, either they sample or either they revert back and say they have something similar.
Wow.
Yes. The honest artist that Messiah was Amrado. Time and say and Pepe no so something similar. He was very honest and Lisa Obama sport there. But aside on no, Messiah artists, I listen to the song. Obi timi fetch you say, boy no what tune ni nyina. Oh, what where the Kwame, boy no what tune ni nyina. We dey be ba me beto den. Oh, where dey aka e promo. E bi an kind of voice bit me add something but who ni say akola no say sami me ba me beto den like what to ade no. But boy no so ye dey me compare no. Ye so tune te say me, ye so say me. Sa na ma na ha me. And am me outlook. do se me be do se me blue you know I don't present myself as someone I said the common no
yeah
obi timi share so na so kwame the label some people even cause it chale unu team in kasa like last time you know kasa maybe I was your first time hearing say me see me ni enkrofo e bo machido obi ho odwen say me label and I say I'm working with some people because only label for the past 5 years why you want kasa events sport there pool part we are the artists I see the guso we your album launch and said the name obi dwen say me label on those things but me shut the enemy year. I don't want to attribute everything to spiritual side, but I think say the right time no be and label be answer to me by me home me not challenges be to me about say 25%. But come say label ni be macro. A bit to me but label to me about 25%. And
then 25%
25% for me then 75%. Yeah, 75.
Wow.
And it told be a one here for 4. Nti minim se minu be comedium e betimi afofo if you go so 10 cedis na label amount 25 2 cedi 50 pesos and taking 7 cedis 50 pesos for how many years are you going to even buy your mom a car
no crap
and the same money betimi but be so to me ba with Saudians and ya sign no those things so to me ba e buy no so you to me go back and forth in the end no na koye style obi so to me ba o sign me a e bia yegusu aye kona then something will happen. Now, oh, Charlie, see, me last time I was on a record label 5 years ago, and from that 5 years, no, I think it's a Miana. Me am adding until recently, been so about him to leave the boy. And I'm saying, Medana, and he can move forward because if you are better brand or any the nicest way he can, I say, autonomous say, leave the boy and son was signing there, so call him, I'm family baby. So, but I could be challenging in the same investors. I am one. But I have good friends. I have some team helping me here and there. But monetary aspect in the Bra community. Yeah.
Kwame. What can they say no? Subain. And I say if you fear. And I say what do you say be text because Kwame, you were artist be or call interview. Send our workers say Casa Kronim Casa. Kwame Wanwate.
Yeah,
Medasi. Just and no to edumani do to say well swing who be a nasi.
Yeah.
Even send our peers and our CS who just say
sure.
Obi Crampo anymore.
Sure.
Or who say
Obonum.
Yeah, sure. Just say edumano was swing who be from A to Z.
Sure.
But Kwame catch me and Sika my Suban, minimum Suban Mumdi, and I say if you fear if you announce baby, if you know then Kaka.
Okay, let's start it from Suban. I think it's Suban the Uncle Famino Juma kill the crowd Juma could even attest to the fact Koda Juma Kwame Dazi, Uncle Fredima, Dan Lati, all of them can attribute to the fact say Suban the monument TV. But the few minutes almost spent and hours almost spent with me in the industry, they could see say Kwame nye Ahomaswana so Mbuadi. I've been playing free shows. Eba I honor it because if you could make us a honeba, if you assume see honeba, respect na me the mom, they say me the organizers no. With Suban side, they mean to me in Casa me 100%. But I think say me kakra ya me ya akani bi say Kwame Buadi de me. In terms of spirituality, I could see say yes because we will be a Uguswa Oye Nema Pekia, with me as on the outside in a cold and as an ordering. In terms of the spirituality, I could say yes. Name be to me spirituality no an ordering and Kofona many omusia kaina ngasa industry no obi en hodi ani mienu penenam nti all those things no ehun hia and me too any emerging artist for say e ka say Kwame good say de o kana nka Kwame ko any Kwame good dia nka Kwame ko but two key things the spiritual side and monetary aspect e ba na lyrics I want to mean kasa Kwame composition want to mean kasa na appearance want to me like so benya menwom ho asama kasa me nya de na wo mpem asem ana nwum nya wo de obi ane na so
Kwame uchirem say amanfo de aduro.
Yes, sure. It's part. And now, until I make a be a person, me my dream, because hobby be a case we was a
to now to not say a drew
growing up as a keyboardist, as an instrumentalist from the church. I've been playing instruments for over 20 years from the church. A bear hard send me Pamiamichi, a bedding.
My member Munko Munim Nance and I'm a Kwame so I must add the Mediaba. enkomo ya mudia na mom atwetwe ma yire se ne ofin se baabi na abefa emu awa ene oni nyame ne nkasa na eja
and so ti o kind Bible ni nyankopon o ye na de onimrem so as I say what I believe in it's ni say all these things abrakomi we can a learning process the process do be because the learning process watch learning process 10 years watch it but say nyame ma Sarah we within a twinkle of an eye oh kwame say kwame hit in dia ben na me be
kwame nso yo bi a o ya de kakra ma na nani eje ho pa animu e kwame egbo amanfo a o maboa ni nyina din wom o ya de kakra ma kwame anani so pa kwame kansa yenko kwame kansa nie all right okay
this one explains the reason why I still be here Mr. Biama said that na men drop him banga you will bangers bebre wo mumbusa cantona Kwame does is some flex oh Uncle Fredima he post the bamo say we say money ya konama shouts to my fans DK you are the best gentle so punish Fred Ben Sax oh God bless you big ups to his brain I'm watching Mr. Aleham did it in me be Joa Konya one come me find but baby I didn't do no challenge me here for hey obi odi sika be se me mu apede me agina me nansuo na sebre nefa na investors seba na sign me pejame de me kosi baby pa e hona me drop him banges chale mo banges hey banges e hona me drop him banges mo banges banges more banges street na your code want me abodi as a force and you mami boy nyasa nyeden so obi ayi ni o hey so come your bana me twerk ya me dey come receive any music ya nkabo so obi abe like if ya chimada di kwa see please ya come your bana me twerk ya me dey come receive any music ya nkabo so obi abe like if ya chimada di kwa see please oh no nyamie show me your mercy kumika sanyanko bebuwa me so where the money hey, na show me your mercy. DJ bless, nyanko bebu wame so where the money? Na sebre nefa, na investors seba, na signing me pejame de me kosi baby pa. Hona me drop him, Ghana for more banges, hey banges, me drop him banges, more banges.
In fact, I no pedia kwame mera hopa o. Kwame,
rakumi. Easy.
Me cry me tie kira me dwen me humpo no kwa me se me hwe pa na se me hu
Edin because obetimi akase bra no mbo obetimi anante akona ensem bi brakumi
talent grab kwa me pa na still kwa me enti kwa me
brakumi
Edin kwa me
brakumi easy
me sure say o situation we obi for frank wa no madura wu kwa me
yeah my try to make give you up 3 times dan lati ba true for me first one kwa me that's ba true for me second one and thirdly kojokin so frame and omo be frame na me te fa akona me su because me to Facebook and kasa and post me delete you so da ho and
rank up person on yeden
me try say last 2 years was my last year me music beam because comment say to be fear busuya hobano like be crowd we be ya the channel like you see how it is no onko ade we de nyumachi from nkwalabre mu wo so bebo instruments yes e ma wo ma me be hu obeba krom no na ami ban na ebo no gina ho kuta de wuta ebo kokokoko yes ma se kota de eba fitin kwala obedu na apostolic for ya so akwaje drums so obo okay ene ye share na VSS no yinja no anya na de okay wa ya no so timi nya boafo unim say in 2016 Discovery Records assigning me Patapa. I was on the same record label with Patapa. Okay, Patapa they pick it. Godfred Bopo and Yamisha no edmo multimedia a pick am Patapa a pick it. Yes Patapa kopena kwame waba. Inti Patapa ko busu sani ya tap you in. Papa Bills Adom FM. In shoes be any boy. Yakobo shoes in area near me kono. Your name gusu kwa manager investing into Patapa big time. Afi Patapa that's sorry say you man me nibi. Many label ni be because there was no contract. Manager above from when be affect no. Kwame Nkansa na oba no. I sat down with Godfred Mr. Bosu. Name am fa contract be 4 years. Ya ko be 2 years name am fa. Nti be ya started with freestyles. E ho na nyame share ni hu na nyame drop pepepe. Freestyle na Kwame da nso bi hu mi so mi mu. Kwame so okay na yenko. Yegusu kwa na menya Discovery Records. Discovery Records free US eba la pass I think see edin koma agro obi a me share no 1 week here just chale me sign o Clemento Suarez Adaromo posti me works the coy papa eba la pass he share sign just 6 months papa ya sign you kodru abruchi no within 3 months first 3 months on the contract and papa you frame me say edwuma sem ne 1212 binti enkebe ya anka yen hold on with the contract kakra okay eno so koda anchen me ho another record label so aba that record label na ngesan Zion Felix Kobichi all of them were on standby to unveil me big time my that's why me to us papa ya frame me o say me pese me sign but I do was sound the means sound kwahin o say yen free Diego Makusa this my biggest loss. This was a $300 every month record deal from US, a record label. Missy Suminya label all Ghana da. I did Godfred Gab Media Concept signing me those times. I think there's a first edition. I was part of the Discovery Artists America. It discovered first Ghana DJ was me, Frida Rhymes. But I'm proud to say Discovery Artists no a bit here bruchi but I'm still doing what I want to do because I know what I want. So what I say, from that time, Casa Precursor Locubites, and I've worked with a lot of media houses. Being Kesben, I mean, stations, Amaya endorsement deals, some Halifax and Sound, OKF, morning show, all those things. I've worked with a lot of people, but I think, say, label, Semnona. It's not helping.
Now, label now. Now almost Saudi.
Yes, I need to change my name because now Papa say America and yes on your Ghanaian. The point is, okay, when you're Ghanaian, they are fine. ABM say phone label so ye per se, and yes, you be family uncle. See, before I got now, they say, yes, because Ohio State and I say Florida, never Diego Makusa. Not say any high life now, but we are full pop like something a year and karaoke. But yen changing me dynamic sounds na here, you call back and forth. Even goodies. And yes, I sound so can and yes, record labels and a eba. Okay, Abanese sound. So goodies. F-Ray, goodies are or discover TikTok. Goodies F-Ray. Or fem no name the main reason. And I say Kwame. Terms are be yes, is Saudi Kenya wow ya. Oh yes, into no name I say daddy. If so buy any more Ghana how high life. And yes, even high life no an air bro for no auto. Na lebu aba. We're building a brand for almost 6 years. Na lebu aba. Say lebu is on Sunday din koye Diego Makusa. Means me kasa me mpio. Me see you use different option. Cause that name is a Mexican name. A Mexican name for a Ghanaian artist doing high life or Teodoko. How does this even work? And the told Bia, oh, do Tikosha Dibia say, and the contract there 5 years. Okay, let's assume say first 2 years on the contract. No label say yeah, yentiminya jumabim. O Kwame Nkansa no ba no bia fa wo kwaje wade. Ana say oba na say obi nso use Kwame Nkansa na we waste your time, so we had to just terminate it and obi abekọ no baby.
Yo, Kwame, yankwe.
Chinsano. Yeah. Kwame Nkansa
yeah, cause I had a young boo. Who feel me rap now?
Friend, you know they chat me, say every day. Unless I chat you, you dey watch my status every day. You dey see my post, you know they like them. Just say, why you almost say we a busybody? Dress me na debia, me ya won't say, ayo. My phone book make fool, so I they come delete some contact. So if you know they make any impacts for my life, dear, I go delete you. I no go force myself on people. This time if you dog me, me try go dog you. This time if you call, I go call you. Pep pep pep. You flash, I go flash you. Hey, somebody you go show you. Pep pep pep. You dog, I go dog you. Pep pep pep. If you test